Senator Francis Pangilinan seeks to investigate rice traders to uncover the possible reason behind the questionable price increase of imported rice, as our Vel Custodio reports.
Rice retailers at the Kamuning Public Market report a slight increase in the price of imported rice. They attribute this to the upcoming 60-day import ban starting September 1.
Dahil lang bigay nagsabi sila na 60 days na walang imported. Kaya sila siguro yung nagtaas. Ang tinaas na may hindi itong malaki. Ngayon nga na kukupitin mo yung mga 50 centavos per kilo. Pero ba naman ay hindi? Pero ang pag-release namin, kayong pa rin.
Imported rice in the Kamuning Public Market is 47 to 49 pesos per kilo, depending on whether it is regular milled, well-milled, or premium rice. Local rice is sold at 37 to 42 pesos, also depending on the variety. The delivery of the 20 pesos per kilo rice from the National Food Authority to market continues. According to the Department of Agriculture, there is ample rice stocks in the country, so President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.'s directive to implement an import ban in September should not be used as a pretext or an excuse to raise the price of imported rice. Philippine Statistics Authority show that 2.8 million metric tons of rice are available in the market, including household, commercial, and NFA stocks.
Ang bilis naman nun, wala pa nga yung import ban, di ba? September 1. Ang daming dumating na bigas nitong mga nakalipas na buwan at may parating pa hanggang August. So, hindi nila dapat gamitin na reason na dahil may import ban, tataas na agad. Diba? So, tapos ang laki pa ng harvest, record harvest tayo. So, we have lots of rice in the market. Tsaka, this is a calibrated response ng ating Pangulo, ni Secretary, dahil alam nila na maraming bigas. The mere fact na inimpose yung ban dahil napakaraming bigas sa merkado.
Imported rice shipments are still allowed to enter the country until the end of this month, including those already contracted for importation this year. According to Senate Committee on Agriculture, Food and Agrarian Reform Chair Francis Pangilinan, rice warehouses should be inspected to determine the possible reason behind the price increase of imported rice despite the abundant supply.
Ang kinakailangan talaga dito, busisiin itong mga traders, yung mga warehouses ng bigas, ma-check kung nagkakaroon ba ng hoarding dahil nga may mga patakaran ng gobyerno, no? Kailangan umaksyon ng DA kasama ang NBI, kasama ang DTI para sa Consumer Protection Act at yung Price Act. May kapangyarihan para busisiin itong posibleng nagsasamantala ng mga pronouncement ng gobyerno. Kaya tumataas ang presyo. So kung tumaas ang presyo ng bigas after the announcement, sino ang mga nagtaas, bakit? Tingnan itong Price Act on the grounds na merong profiteering at price manipulation.
Following this, the DA said it will visit rice warehouses to verify its supplies, particularly of imported rice, are indeed dwindling. Vel Custodio for the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.